Hello guys, what's up? This is Yogi with a new tutorial in SQL. So guys, in this tutorial we talk about three main functions of SQL. Like we learn where, in, and. So these are basically a very simple but a complex command which is used in your day-to-day life. So let's start it. So first of all, I will select a database. Like select start from hr.employees is my table. So I will execute it. So you will see there are some records are coming, like you can see last name, first name, title, con title of custody, birth name, hire date, and address, city, etc. So what do we have to do? Firstly, we use where command. Like where, from where, like suppose you want a particular where. See where is title. Where title is CEO. So suppose you have to just insert this one like CEO, and you have to run the command. So it will execute the only record which have a CEO. But what happened, like if you need more than one, like you need CEO and other thing also, like suppose you got CEO but you need some sales manager also. Okay, you need sales manager. So what you have to do, like sales manager, so you will use in command, like title in, you have to bracket CEO comma 2 sales manager. Okay guys, so just to you will see CEO and sales manager are coming. But suppose you need one more condition here, like only you don't know who is CEO and who is manager, but you need one more condition, like where title is, so and suppose and first name, like their first name is equal to, what do you say, your first name will be Sarah. What is Sarah? You don't know Sarah is a CEO or manager, so you just execute it and you will see Sarah is CEO. So these three commands basically help you to get a particular data from a particular table. Like suppose if we are using any one of these, like suppose let create a new scenario. Suppose that I will select, now you have some type of postal codes or maybe country. So let's see the country, like see where title, because title I will just compile this, but I will just postal code like in, you can see we have used two one. You can also use a one command like in 1003. So it will search like postal code 103 and first name is Sarah, so it will give the results. Yes, Sarah is on 113. Suppose if you make a zip code to 114, so it should be gives us a blank records. So you can see the method, the command is successfully effective, but it does not give us the result. Like if I maybe zoom it, so you will see if I use it, so I did not get any result because Sarah is not available on that zip code. So next thing, suppose you want any result, like you have typed postcode, and if you want to use postcode, when you if you use is equal to here, so it gives an error because no code is coming, because the syntax is correct but the formulation which I have used is incorrect. Like we have to combine this one, like if you remove it, see it's nothing giving us enough. So what we have to do, we have to change it. We can execute, you can see now it's okay, because it doesn't give you any error at the time. Suppose if you forget to add a, also now it's given error like incorrect syntax near Sarah. It's just given hint like there's an incorrect syntax, like because this syntax coming same, like a integer can't be a variable. So simply you have to click here and you have to just execute it. Now it gives the exact result. This is basically a where and in commands work. Like suppose if you want to more one, like and what we say, and city is equal to Seattle. Let's see. So suppose if you execute, it gives the same result because the same result. Suppose we just comment these two and run this command, it gives an error because we can't use and is always used when you using a where clause and you want to add a one more condition. Okay, so for this one, you have to type where city, and it will give us a city. The two cities are Seattle, like this one. It gives the experience. I hope this video help you a lot. If you have any questions, so please let me know. I will make a advanced video again. So but thanks for watching.